McDonald's, Canada. We got some cool stuff here. This watermelon lime drink. I got a small watermelon lime refresher. Let's see how refreshing it is. Whoa. That is a lot different than I thought it was going to be. It's super, like, sour. Whoa. You're going to try that.
Whoa. It's like a Jolly Rancher.
Yeah, jeez. And they got these pizza bites. They are small. Pizza bites. Mmm.
Mick pizza bites.
Yeah, pretty good. Remind me of like Tostino's pizza rolls.
I'm hoping better than that.
Good though, better than that. Remind me of that, but they're better than that. And then we got a snack size Biscoff McFlurry.
We love Biscoff.
Holy shoot. That is good. Oh my god, maybe we should get the regular size. Oh my god.
Biscoff's where it's at, y'all. Such a good cookie.
Yeah, this is so good.